Let's see how to access Clipboard in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, the clipboard is basically where everything that you have copied can be accessed. And while your computer normally has that option, you can also open it to access it in Microsoft Word. And so what you can do is first off, click on the Home tab. And from here, you will find the clipboard section right here. And to access your clipboard, simply click on this arrow icon, which will open this window on the left side of our screen. And as you can see, we now have all of our copied items right here. And so from here, you can choose to paste whatever you want in your document simply by clicking it. And if you want to remove a particular item in your clipboard, you can simply click on this arrow right here and click on delete. And that is how you can access your clipboard in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.